What should the insurer expect? I think we need to look sometimes outside of the United States at experiences other people are having. If we look at Canada, Quebec, and Ontario have significant experience here, and here's the issue. Ontario says to the insurance companies, you're not allowed to charge for bad. You can only discount for good. Well, that makes a lot of sense, doesn't it? Yeah. And Quebec says, no. If you're bad, you're going to pay for it. You know, we're going to surcharge. So when they're looking at applying the telematics, Ontario has problems with it because the insurance companies, that's Progressive's idea, is to weed out the bad drivers, only insure the good, you know, and all that sort of thing. That's the idea behind telematics. It's a selection process. It's as much an underwriting tool as it is a rating tool. We don't want you because. So telematics are going to become a significant part, and I think that telematics will have a dramatic impact on the way we rate insurance policies. But also think about this, what's going to do to the price of a car if everybody has to have them? Well, we're going to have a couple $100 to put the device in the car. And then what if you are driving my car? Will your driving impact my rates? Yeah. Sure it will.
Yeah, in the UK now, when we buy insurance, they can rate you for you driving the car, or if they can rate you for anyone driving the car. And it's because they know, I mean, right now, our auto policy, basically anybody can drive it.
Anybody in the world is covered.
Normal usage, you're supposed to let them know.
Yeah.
But over there, it's just like buy for you or buy for anybody.
Right. Yeah. Yeah, you're going to pay the premium for it one or another. But here, it's like you said, you know, I used to teach a lot of pre-licensing, and I would have them say, well, who's covered driving their car? And my answer is, everybody in the world, as long as there is an assumption of permission. Well, don't they have to have a driver's license? No. Nowhere in the auto policy does it say licensed.
And there have been a lot of people, young kids, who don't have license.
8 years old.
Right.
They're covered, right, exactly. Okay. Next issue is property. Are we familiar with the term green construction? If not, we're going to be. This is, I took this picture out of my hotel room window in London. And this is a restaurant right here across the street. That's the roof, and that's grass. And that is shrubbery growing on the side of the building there. That's some examples. But if you start looking at this issue of green construction, it really begs a lot of questions, because the federal government and the state government and the local governments are all passing laws that are saying you have to reduce the carbon footprint of your buildings. They have to pass this level. And that basically, there's a certification called LEEDs, L-E-E-D-S.
5 stars. 5 stars LEEDs.
Yeah, exactly. And the thing is, if you think about it, all of this technology going